Hey there, I can see you're interested in learning Pen Stack, right? Trust me, you've made a fantastic decision because companies all over are looking for skilled web developers that can build powerful, scalable web applications. With Pen Stack, PostgreSQL, Node.js, React, and Express.js, you will be equipped with high-demand full-stack development skills that can open various opportunities for you. And guess what? You have come to the right place, the best training institute in Nigeria, which is Bismaro Technologies. Now, you're wondering what PenStack is, right? PenStack is a combination of high-performance technologies to build a dynamic web applications. With these skills, you will be able to create everything from small business websites to complex enterprise solutions. Guess what? Lots of opportunities await you after learning PenStack. You can become a full stack developer, a front end developer, a back end developer. You can also become a freelance developer working with international clients. Trust me, these skills can get you well-paying job both locally and internationally. You can stay in your comfort zone and earn in dollars. Now, let's look at what you need to learn to become a PenStack developer. One is PostgreSQL, where you will learn how to master database design and management. And secondly is Express.js, where you will learn how to build powerful back-end applications. We also have React.js to create dynamic interactive UIs. Then Node.js to build scalable and fast applications. We also have RESTful APIs where you will learn how to connect front-end and back-end seamlessly. And guess what? There is also real-world projects where you apply your skills by building real-life projects before you graduate. Now, I know you're wondering why you should choose Bismaro Technologies, right? At Bismaro Technologies, you are going to get 90% practical hands-on training. You will get a dedicated trainer assigned to you. And guess what? It's a small-sized class where you'll be able to ask all the questions you need to ask. And before you graduate, we are going to make sure you build real-life projects that can help you showcase your skills out there. We also have online and physical classes available. There is also flexible payment plans, so you don't need to bother yourself. Guess what? We don't just teach theory. We are going to make sure that you are job ready. So why not take action today? The industry is booming, and guess what? Opportunities won't wait for you. So why not take action today and visit Bismaro Technologies? Let's start this wonderful journey together. Until I meet you in class, my name is Faith. Bye.